Okay, so let's keep going with here. So far is the moment generating function of scaled value of x bar, and it is equal here. This value is just right here as we got in the last video. So, but it's hard to deal with this form because of this n here. So there's a really great way we know to put n as like easy to calculate it, which is we put log in the calculation process so that we can actually take it here down here. So let's put log here and here. Sorry. Here, and it's gonna come down here. So it's what we want. It's easier to deal with. So here, let's put, so this is same as I mean z, right? Because it follows a standard normal distribution. So let's deal with this n. So let's suppose 1 divided by square root of n equals y. Then 1 divided by n equals y squared, and n equals 1 divided by y squared. So let's make this as a new in the new form. So it's going to be like this, right? And it's just y t z here. And actually, the reason why we made this happen is to divide it into this fraction here, because we know that we're going to put limit which send n into infinite, and when n goes infinite, so y like is going to just be just shrink until 0. So y it will go 0. So we know that y would go 0. So we know is 0 divided by 0 form. So it's the perfect condition that we can use l'Hopital. I think my pronunciation was not good. Like, it'll be in English. In Korean, we call it l'Hopital. But as far as I know, in English, it's like something like la hospital. Yeah. So we did these kind of things to use la hospital here because it meets the condition of using like of situation we can use la hospital. So we know that if you put 0 here, it equals 0, and we put 0 here, then this whole thing would be 1, and log 1 equals 0, right? So we can say that it's 0 divided by 0 form. So let's keep going. And if you're not familiar with la hospital calculation, please check, like, there's really nice vlogs out there. So yeah, it's going to be helpful because we are going to do this process twice here. So now we are going to calculate the differentiation here, this and this, and we need to get a differentiation of log here. So to understand this more, I'm going to deal with the log differentiation in the next video so that we can actually understand the process and keep going on our step. So okay, so see you guys in the next video.